Hey everybody, it's Kay, and if you like strawberry lemonade, just keep watching. A little ice in my glass, and I'm gonna cut them up with my cup slicer first, one direction, and then I'm gonna cut them again. Slice them up again. Maybe one more time. So make nice little piles, one more time. Kind of like muddled strawberries. I'm going to pour that into. This takes it to a whole nother level. So our gourmet limoncello is going to make a beautiful strawberry lemonade today. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons for my 16-ounce glass. It is a syrup, so I'm going to take and just add some regular old water to this, and not the best stirrer in the world, but a stirrer nonetheless. Give it a shot. That's delicious.